Yeah, good morning, students. See, today we are going to discuss the physics measurements. So, to go to the measurements, basically here the index, mechanics. See the physical units. If you observe here, see the physical units, mechanics, the physical units. See, basically, mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with bodies are at motion or bodies are at rest. So, the description of the motion and which causes the motion. And in the physical units, the mass, length, time. These are the physical units: length, mass, time. The fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are nothing but the quantities are which are independent, which are do not depend upon any other quantity is called fundamental quantity. The quantities which are depends upon fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. So here there are chain of mechanical quantities, development of mechanical units, table of units, units of conversion. So chain of mechanical quantities, if you take the chain of mechanical quantities, if you observe carefully here, length divided by time, length divided by time equal to velocity, velocity divided by time. See, velocity divided by time, velocity divided by time is equal to acceleration. Acceleration into mass is force. Force divided by length, force into distance, that is force into displacement is nothing but work. So energy, work is nothing but energy. Energy divided by time is called power. So in this way you can have the average power and all these things. See, we are going to have the chain of, see, this is another chain of activity. Length, time, L is, length is denoted by L, time is denoted by T. L by T is the dimensional formula of speed, the dimensional formula of speed, length divided by time, or distance upon time. So distance unit is meters, length is the, so representation L. Similarly, mass, acceleration meter per second square, L by T square. So if you take that L by T square, velocity equal to L by T, power is equal to, see, watt kg meter square per second cube, that's why ml square by T cube. So if you take it as, similarly work ml square by T square, force ml by T square, see, kg meter per second square, torque ml square by T square. See the unit, see unit tables, the unit tables, basic mechanical units, basic mechanical units of length, SI unit is meter, length SI unit is meter, CGS unit is centimeter. So the other units, the British system or US system units are foots. Similarly, time, seconds, second, velocity meters per second, and centimeter per second, feet per second, acceleration meter per second square, centimeter per second square, energy joules, ergs, and see, ft, feet, lbs. These are the different units. Unit conversions you take. The unit conversions, for example, you take 10 meters. See the 10 meters if you take. See 10 meters is equal to how many feet? See 32.8 feet. 10 meters is 32.8 feet. Similarly inches, for example, so 20 centimeters is how many inches? See, there are 7.874 inches. Unit conversions, miles. See 20 miles, how many feet? 20 miles is nothing but, or 300 miles. 300 miles is, okay, so that many feet. 158.4. See 158,4,000. So that 158 400. So in this way you can calculate, you can convert newtons into dynes. For example, 100 newtons. See, 100 newtons you can convert into 100 newtons into pounds, 22.48. Similarly, you take 100 dynes. 100 dynes, if you take 100 dynes, 100 newtons is how many dynes? So that is way you convert the system from one system to another system. So you can have the conversions, all these are the conversions, different conversions. See, mm of Hg and gallons, calories, kilowatt hours, horsepower. See, you can convert any system, one system to another system. You can convert, and here these are the physical units. See, unit conversions, dimensional analysis. These are dimensional analysis. So we'll discuss more clearly in the next video. Thank you.